I greet everybody. I greet everybody. I greet everybody. I want to talk small thing. Yeah, tell me, Kini. As I did na the verse. I the verse. I don't cry, I don't tire. If you ain't a big woman, my brother. Because the thing, this Nigeria war, this will not be riot. This Nigeria war, when it won't happen, this Nigeria war, and then they keep people for Nigeria, so the thing they pay me. They pay me because I want me I did there. Because I fight war for Sierra Leone. I fight war for Liberia. Nigeria youth, I want beg you now for one thing. I know say I must call Nigeria. I must call Nigeria, come destroy some area for Nigeria. I felt tell Nigeria people that I felt tell Nigeria president made a share and reach where he did. I be second Sama Biladi. I must bomb Nigeria. That airport now. When they go look my video, the day when I talk say airport, they must bomb Nigeria airport. Nigeria airport don't bomb. They don't bomb Nigeria airport now. They don't put fire. Youth, may I advise you now? Because we don't take when Nigeria fight war. Because I don't experience war for Sierra Leone, for Liberia. Any Nigeria youth, you know, say you want to go outside. Not they carry stick. Find gun. Carry better knife. Man, not they use stick. Carry acid. Something where you be say you go use. Not they carry stick, I beg. Nigeria youth, man, find gun. And people will be say anytime. Nigeria youth, as soon as they Nigeria, when they try, they see us say when they and anytime, as soon as they bust police station, all those guns where they there, when they clear on. Now weapon, I be fight. Man, I know they carry stick. If they pay me say a day, I for lead some people make the nonsense then take the fight. More gun, and man, they bust as soon as they bust Oko, man, they carry gun. Man, any police, any soldier wanna feel just key. Any police wanna they carry their clothes, their gun. You feel enter there, so they are miss. You feel that they are miss. Now they think say you be police, you be soldier. Now they think they survive. Man, I know they carry stick. As soon as you enter police station, any police station wanna enter, wanna put fire on bust the place. Man, they remove the weapon where they there. They carry their clothes. You go dress like police. You go they kill the police people. They kill all those people. Man, I try Nigeria. You this fight not be small fight. Now brain I take the fight. Man, I know they carry stick. Man, I know they carry stick. By that time when we dey Sierra Leone, you keep police. You carry uniform with a gun. When you go they operate and they say you be police. You not go they kill innocent people. You go they kill your policemen. Then they say you be police. This thing don't set for Nigeria. Man, I know they carry stick. Now, if not 3 people, man, as soon as I get mad, any soldier wanna just kill, man, I try to collect his shirt, man, I try to collect his gun. I beg Nigeria youth. I see the way they kill people. I see the way they kill people. For Sierra Leone, by that time, you see, I say, anytime when it be say, rebel, by that time, now rebel, they call those youth, rebel. Any rebel when he enter outside, any soldier, any policeman when they kill, then they collect his clothes and he gone. Even though now 2 people, you kill 2 soldiers, 2 policemen, collect his gone. Now the uniform you will wear, if he set past this one, just not supposed to get weapon. Military weapon, all those kind of police, all those kind this thing where we get, now they are weapon, now they are uniform, now they operate. Even Liberia, but that time what they Liberia, you're not gonna know this, you're not gonna even know youth, you're not gonna even know the soldier, you're not gonna, because everything, you go change their brain. More now they collect their gun. Not as Nigeria be so for Liberia, I get the experience. The Charles Taylor, by that time when Charles Taylor dey Liberia, when war dey, I did there, I beg. Mona they ask after I bust Oko that day, Mona they collect gun. Any policeman wanna see. So now fit kidnap them, Mona they collect gun, collect their clothes. Wear their clothes. If you not just wear their clothes, now collect their gun, enter their car, they drive, they're gonna teach on the police, use and they operate. Enter inside their now not they see Camadon, now not they look warfare, now not see warfare, now not see how they take the art. But not the carry stick. Not the woman, not the carry stick. Not just carry stick like that. They look like make them. I don't see the way that they kill Nigeria youth. This thing go set. Nigeria we not go end like that. It not go end. Where to save Nigeria now? Many bad boys don't dey outside. Many bad boys don't dey outside the country. Many don't pass river enter. Many don't travel. The one way they are small and not give up. Una dey try, me una not give up, I beg. But me una dey collect, I beg. Me una just dey collect any policeman, anywhere una go dey boss police, anywhere police there, anywhere. If una just keep police, me una dey collect their uniform. They are gone. Their uniform serve. It serve well. Because Nigeria, this fight will not go end down like this. We must fight on. We must fight on. Liberia fight, but I don't see Liberia fight. I don't see Sierra Leone. I beg. I dey vex. I see the way every as Nigeria be. I beg. Make the youth. I see the way they keep people. The thing they pay me. But that time for Liberia, now I see they be now. Even the time when they come up, they Liberia, all those our soldiers from Nigeria come Liberia. They know now. Then they use many things they said them. Mona they paint on ourselves. They not they go outside like that. As Nigeria don't rough now, not just go outside like that. Your face, you carry many things color to change yourself. The time when they shoot like this, they not gonna know say you be human being. I beg. This one a war. This thing when I just look so na war. Because for Sierra Leone, by that time, the person where they kill mama, the person where they kill papa, you don't feel rest. Say me you enter house like that. You see Sierra Leone and by that time, you go tell you say they don't kill mama, they don't kill papa. So he must fight that war. The Nigeria now, the people where soldiers don't kill now. Now they think say their people go rest like that. If me, Jesus, I wish me they think say people that day like that. Me go day. I go there country where you be saying I be citizen of the country. I me go keep my mother, keep my father. I be youth, I go rest. So Nigeria, the war, you don't stop. Nigeria youth, man, they collect their gun. Man, I know they carry stick, they go outside, they give, man, they carry gun. Man, they carry gun. Before they shoot you, you don't shoot there. By that time, when men read the Nigeria, men, they, when men go robbery, they not be gone until they rob. I beg. Nigeria youth, I can't beg you, I beg. But I know they carry stone and stick, but they carry gun. Anywhere they install gun for Nigeria, I go bust town, carry the gun. Where una go target now for Nigeria? I go target where guns dey, where ammunition dey, where weapon dey. Yeah. I beg Nigeria youth. I beg. I see the way that they keep people for Nigeria now. If you know, say you get small level for Nigeria now, get like 2 guns, 3 guns. Nothing like gun.
Is this boy glass?
Nothing like gun. Oh. I beg. Nothing like gun. If you get gun, you know where you operate. Nothing like gun. Oh. Now people will never see what gun they do. Now they talk say knife now anything. Knife not be that one not be weapon. Nothing like gun. Before you know what they happen, you don't move on for there. Sharp. I beg Nigeria youth, but when I go boss where gun day. Where I know so now see weapon. Take fight the fight. But I know they carry stick. I beg the thing they pay me. If they pay me for Sierra Leone by that time, we know as we they do. We know as they do for Liberia. For 20 years ago, 15 years ago, 30 years ago, 25 years ago, for Liberia and Sierra Leone. We know as they do the thing. We know as they be. Nigeria youth, you don't tell when Nigeria fight war. That's why then now they meet Nigeria youth like this. Don't beg. As I don't bust that oko that day. Now waiting our target. Now gone. Yeah. Now gone. I beg. I know say the something don't set now. I'm gonna go boss where una go see weapon. Now weapon I ain't be fight. Where una go see weapon. As I dey inside car now, say I get gun here now. Who go come? Who come? I go remove one now. Maybe I can say outside not the level, not the bar. Nothing like gun. But if you get knife, what the knife go do? I beg. Mona go boss where una go see gun, una go see weapon. The thing they pay me. People wait for fight for Nigeria. Now don't see the time where Anini day. Now you say Anini no see her. When you go march, but that time people they march roadblock for Nigeria now. People where they come, you say I say police go they run. They'll say I'm robber day road. They'll say criminal day road. Where the criminal hold by that time? Don't be gone. The gun where you go, you go past the police. Oh, I beg. Who go supply Nigeria youth weapon? Make them supply them. Now weapon ain't be fight. We don't get army now. We don't get police now. We will get better weapon, my brother. Live there. You get better weapon. Live there. You know, I don't see the way Boko Haram come to kill Nigeria army. Why? You know, because of the weapon where Boko Haram get, where our army not get anything. Where they don't even get better gun. So Nigeria youth, any person where you want to help Nigeria youth now, you know, so you get any small thing, you want to help them, help them with ammunition, help them with a weapon, help them with gun. If you be police, you know, say you join the youth. Anywhere gun, they tell them make them go bust that place, make them go carry the gun. Now gun. I bet when I know they carry stick, Nigeria youth. You don't say you carry stick, not go outside though. This kind of thing, I don't feel see them for Sierra Leone, I don't feel see them for Liberia, I beg. I say me I can't advise Nigeria youth, man, I know they carry stone, they go outside, they will kill you now. I beg. Man, I know they carry stone, they carry stick. Man, I go find weapon. Now weapon, I they fight. If this thing pass this one just now, say na real war, now war come to Nigeria. This say you carry stick for war. Now gone, 15 years old, 9 years, but that time for Sierra Leone, for Liberia, they carry gun.
I cannot try this one. I cannot try this one.
Yeah. They carry gun. I beg. Now gone, man, I go find what. You just did. I beg, if you carry stick, I beg. Man, I not go outside, do. Hey, before you go outside, you know, say you don't get any you go be. Any you go be. But that time for Sierra Leone, for Liberia, before they will kill you, you don't say you don't still kill like 3 people, 4 people. If you don't care at all, now you be rebel. You don't say you not kill. Before they kill you, you don't say you don't still kill. Now it be war. If I come to Nigeria now, before they will kill me, I will still kill like 3 people. If I don't even kill, I kill for my street there. I will not say, now it be war now. I beg Nigeria youth. Man, make person not deceive you now. If person deceive you now, no say you don't want kill. Don't go outside, don't make them not kill you. Who not ready to fight, not to find trouble. I beg. Who not ready to fight, not to fight. No, not carry stick and store again. They will kill you. By that time, you know, he gave me a brother go there for Nigeria by that time. Police don't call them, they go. They not they go. You know, say the people who did that place, maybe one no. That one a small thing now. Waiting on easy pass. Gonna be like driving. To drive very easy. Feel all gone. Now gone very easy now. Just Jesus. I beg youth at the beg. At the beg. Moon at the thing tire me, oh. The thing tire me. The thing tire me.